road to Nappanee.
Early morning.
We were on the road by 5:59.
Yeah, we wanted to get rolling before 6.
We might be crazy for doing this all in one day.
Yeah. It's like, what, a little over 12 hours? 12-hour drive?
Which in RV world, that means it'll be like 15 hours with stops.
All you people that never drive more than 3 to 4 hours in a day, probably cringing at this.
Yeah, you're probably going to shame us. It's fine, I get it. This isn't our normal.
This is not typical.
But we're headed to Newmar. Gonna go get our camper fix, motorhome fix.
The mothership.
Yeah, going to the mothership. So it should be fun. We'll get to see some, like, behind the scenes stuff.
Oh, we've never hung out in Indiana before.
No. We'll be near Goshen. Got any good tips for Goshen? I feel like I have to say it that way. Goshen?
What? It's Nappanee.
Nappanee, yeah.
Nappanee. Not Nappanee. It's Nappanee.
Nappanee.
Nappanee. That's what happens when you just start adding P's to the ends of things. Nappanee.
How many is too many?
What are you getting?
Milkways.
Has it been a while?
It's been a while. I was trying to catch you singing.
So we've been driving like crazy today. We finally got, well, we're almost through Ohio, so a couple hours left. We had to stop and refuel.
We had to stop a lot more than just refuel.
We had a few issues we needed to look at. One we're not too sure of still, but we found some oil. So we've been kind of taking it slow, stopping and checking everything. We stopped for lunch earlier at Sheetz. We had to hit up Sheetz on the way through Pennsylvania. It's been a long time since we've had it. And now eating some leftovers before we finish the drive. Sam's loving that I'm filming her eating.
I love it. So the internet can just call me a big doc.
When you're done, eat the plate.
Pro tip, if you're traveling through Ohio and you have a gas coach or gas truck and you're hauling a travel trailer, the rest stops in Ohio have gas at the truck pumps.
Yeah, so all the rest stops on the turnpike have gas, so it's real nice.
Especially when we're what? Like 70 feet long?
Like 63, something like that. But yeah. Much nicer. Rounding up. Isn't that my job? That's the guy. It's at least 80 feet. We're at least 80 feet long.
You wish.
All right, we're gonna jump back on the road and try to catch back up when we finally get to Newmar in Nappanee.
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 We made it.
We left just before 6 o'clock this morning, and it is
9:57.
9:57. So, how many hours is that? A lot.
I'm an art major. I don't.
A lot of hours. So we drove from Crisfield, Maryland, out to Nappanee.
I was like, I forget where we are already.
Newmar.
We were in multiple states today, in multiple towns.
Trying not to. It's late. We've had a heck of a day. We tried to search and track down some oil leaking at one point. Stopped for food a couple times.
Someone left.
We're not going to talk about that. That's not. There's a couple issues today. Some were self-inflicted. But we'll just we'll save that for another time.
We may see our rig posted on Facebook about dumb things you shouldn't do when you have an RV.
Yeah, probably. Somebody definitely took a picture while we were driving down the road. Luckily, we were only going in about 10 miles between stops. So
12 miles.
12 miles. We were just testing some oil, and anyway. So we'll bring you guys along this week. We're gonna see how things go, getting our rig fixed. If some of you saw it before. And then hopefully we see a much improved after.
But we need to go to bed because we're supposed to be ready by 6 a.m. for the service tech to come here and take Bertha back.
So they come at 6 in the morning.
Well, 6 to 8. At least that's a little better than like the
guy
cable
I
people.
talked to said 6 to 7.
Okay, well our paperwork says 6 to 8.
So anyway, we have to be ready by 6 in the morning, and we are not 6 in the morning people. So we're gonna call.
Maybe
it
after
night.
this week we will be.
Yeah, every day. We'll see. All right, we'll call it a night and bring you guys along for the rest of the week.
See ya. Peace. Well, we're officially homeless.
Yeah, that was weird. Turn over the keys and did a walk around to
turn over the keys. Our cat's in there. What
well,
do you mean?
we had to give him the keys so he could drive it away.
We gave him the keys and our cat.
Yeah, so he took our keys and our cat, but we got nice yellow badges.
Yep, so it will take you along. Apparently we get full access to our coach while they're working on it. We can see what they're doing.
Yeah, which is awesome. Like that you can actually go back and still get to your coach during the day if you need to. So,
and don't worry, our cat's fine. It's temperature controlled in there. She's got her litter box. She's got her food and water. She's got her toys. She's got some of my clothes, so she's nice and cozy.
This is Sam trying to justify it to herself.
I hate it. I hate it so much.
No,
but she'll be fine, and we have a camera back there so we can watch her, and I can go check on her during the day. It'll be fine. Everything's fine.
Yeah, no, she'll be fine. Yeah, we were able to put her in the back bathroom and just put a sign on that said "Cat in bathroom, do not open." So that was nice, convenient. Looks like they might get us done quicker than we thought originally.
Yeah.
So
we'll see.
We'll see what happens. I'm not sure if that's a good thing for us because we don't really have anywhere to go if they get done sooner.
It's fine. We'll wing it. That's our
RV
life.
We might just see if we can stay here till we have planned to be done anyway. But see what happens. Hopefully we can go see. We can just see in one of the bays right here, and it's super clean and pristine in there. So it'll be interesting to actually like check out where they're doing all the work.
Yep. So we'll see you soon. We're here in the Newmar lounge, but I'm not going to yell because there's people in here. It's morning. But look how pretty it is.
Growing up, my dad was a mechanic. He worked on big rigs, and I will tell you from experience, these shops are never this clean. We were given a card when we first got there. Ours was yellow, so we got to stay inside the yellow path. And we could go back and see our coach anytime we wanted. So if we forgot something or needed anything during the day, we could just go back and grab it anytime we wanted.
My favorite part was that we got to come back and check on our cat because she was left in the back bathroom that was suggested by them, so we didn't have to bring her in and out of the lobby and stress her out.
Well, we're even more homeless.
We're now in a hotel. I can't remember the last time we've packed bags for anything.
No, so we ended up leaving the coach at Newmar
a day early.
Day sooner than we expected, which is good. I mean, they get it in and get it done. But we're not really used to packing bags. We realized that we haven't been or slept anywhere outside of our coach in 4 years. So we're a little thrown off right now. But we're extra homeless.
But this home has a hot tub.
It's true. We got a hot tub and a pool, so we'll take it. We're here for a few days. And yeah, we'll get the coach back and hopefully move back in and show you where the service center is and what was going on there. Well, we are out of the hotel now.
Today's the day we're picking Bertha up.
This one, the little one here is pretty excited to not be in the hotel anymore.
She's like, I'm not coming out. I swear there's a cat in here.
She's like, I hate this so much.
She'll be excited to be back in the rig, as will we. We enjoyed unlimited use of a hot tub and swimming pool, but we miss our stuff, and we haven't had to pack a bag in 4 years, so it's weird. We were missing some things, and I don't know. We were thrown off.
Yep. So let's go check it out, see what they did, see how it looks. Hopefully it doesn't look like a lawnmower ran into it anymore.
Fingers crossed.
Let's go.
Well, we're just getting Bertha back. Let's check her out.
Let's see what it looks like.
I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah. Yeah, they painted all that stuff's like brand spanking new.
It doesn't look like a lawnmower hit it anymore.
It's funny seeing the dirty door into the clean door though.
Oh, and the door functions. That's good.
Let me test that again. How like? Nope, still
Still slam door.
still slam.
I think she looks beautiful. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks really good. So,
Love
definitely
it.
happy.
And that's a wrap.
We wrapped it up.
We wrapped it up. We just spent a week in Nappanee, Indiana at the Newmar Service Center. And let me tell you, they took our super awful experience of having a lawnmower hit our RV and turned it into this amazing, one-of-a-kind experience. We got to go on a factory tour. We got access to our rig while it was worked on. And they have a full hookup campground so you can be in your rig when they're working on it.
Yeah, so something that was a not so great experience, you know, having our rig run into by a lawnmower. We actually had a decent time out here. Got to watch everything get worked on and hang out in Nappanee.
Not to mention there are a ton of horse and buggies, so I got my fill of all of the horses running around. I just wanted to pet them all.
Yeah, and if you're into the RV life or, you know, RVing in general, I mean, being out here in Elkhart County, I think that's where we're at.
It's like the mecca of RV.
Yeah,
anything.
it's like being home, really. I mean, everything that's in your RV or that you've ever used is pretty much made here, comes from here, which is kind of fun to see and be around.
Yeah, we kind of nerded out a little bit, not gonna lie.
Yeah. So we have a factory tour coming. We'll get that posted on YouTube in the next week or so. So if you want to see how Newmars are made
from frame to finish.
Yeah, from frame to finish, we've got that coming as well. So we're gonna put that video together and hopefully get that out soon.
And then hopefully we'll be on our way and no more lawnmowers hit our RV. Although I wouldn't mind coming back to the service center if I'm being honest.
Yeah, hopefully we don't have to come back anytime soon. But if we do, now we know what to expect and what we're getting into.
So, see you later.